The abortion ban in Idaho and what stipulations count for if a mother's life is at risk has been a hot topic of debate here for a few years. Now, doctors may be able to treat patients a little earlier on. I'm neighbor reporter Alexander Huddleston getting reaction from the Center for Reproductive Rights.
I think that we fought tooth and nail to get to this ruling. Marks a step in the right direction.
Idaho's strict abortion laws have made it hard for many Idaho doctors to know at what point a pregnancy complication constitutes a viable reason for an abortion. However, an Idaho court ruling on Friday clarified certain stipulations.
A common one is where water breaks very early in a pregnancy, at 18, 19 weeks of pregnancy. It's very unlikely the pregnancy will survive, but the pregnant person will face serious risks of infection, possibly leading to death. The court gave reassurance to doctors in Idaho that they can provide abortion care to their patients in those circumstances in line with the medical standard of care.
But Nicholas Cabot, a staff attorney at the Center for Reproductive Rights, said as much as it is a step in the right direction, there is still more work to do.
There's going to have to be continual efforts to make space for women who have very serious or lethal fetal conditions, that women who are facing a risk of suicide or are otherwise severely mentally ill can access abortion care when necessary. And in those tragic circumstances, the court did not grant us relief.
The center says they will keep fighting to lift some of those restrictions as doctors' hands are still tied when it comes to treating pregnant patients. I'm your neighbor reporter Alexander Huddleston for Idaho News 6.